This video by Next Inside Process contains AI-generated visuals created for educational and documentary purposes.
Welcome to our factory. Today I'll show you exactly how frozen chicken is processed and packed step by step.
At the intake zone, precision meets responsibility. Refrigerated transport trucks arrive under controlled conditions as trained workers gently guide live chickens onto automated, welfare-focused conveyors. Every movement is calm, regulated, and hygienic, marking the first carefully monitored step of the processing journey. Inside the raw receiving zone, everything begins with precision and control. Temperature-regulated trucks arrive one by one, their doors opening to release a carefully preserved cold atmosphere that protects the freshness within. Crates of raw chicken are unloaded smoothly and placed onto gleaming stainless steel conveyor belts designed to meet the highest hygiene standards. Every movement is measured, every second monitored. The steady hum of conveyor belts blends with the low whisper of cold room ventilation, creating a controlled industrial rhythm. This is where safety, freshness, and efficiency intersect, setting the foundation for everything that follows. In this precision-controlled stage, every piece of raw chicken is handled with absolute care. Gloved hands guide the meat onto calibrated weighing stations, where sensors measure each cut to exact standards. Nothing is left to chance. Workers visually inspect texture, size, and quality, removing anything that does not meet strict requirements. Each movement is deliberate, practiced, and hygienic, built on years of process refinement. Once approved, the chicken is carefully sorted and directed toward the washing units, where cleanliness becomes the next priority. Soft mechanical clicks mark each measurement, while gentle water splashes signal the transition to purification, ensuring every piece is prepared for the stages ahead. The journey continues through the heart of the preparation line. From above, the camera glides smoothly as chicken moves through a sequence of automated washing and trimming systems, engineered for consistency and hygiene. High-pressure water jets cleanse every surface, while precision blades and sensors trim with exact accuracy, guided by data, not guesswork. Cold mist drifts through the air, catching dramatic lighting flares that reflect off polished steel, emphasizing the scale and sophistication of the operation. The steady rhythm of machinery blends with the flow of air vents overhead, creating a synchronized industrial pulse. Here, technology and control work in harmony, preparing each piece for the next phase of processing. Inside massive automated processing drums, chicken portions move in a carefully controlled rotation. Each slow tumble is precisely timed, allowing marinades or protective treatments to coat every surface evenly and consistently. Advanced systems monitor temperature, speed, and coverage in real time, ensuring the process enhances freshness without compromising texture or safety. Nothing here is rushed. Balance and uniformity are the priority. As the drums rotate with a deep, steady hum, liquid treatments flow and splash rhythmically, signaling a process refined through technology and strict standards. Each batch is carefully processed to deliver freshness, safety, and the same dependable quality every single time. From the control room, every detail is monitored in real time. Digital panels track temperature, hygiene levels, and precise processing timers, ensuring total control at every stage. Inside the glass-walled control room, technicians oversee the entire operation. Real-time displays track temperatures, hygiene indicators, and critical processing timers. Every decision here ensures consistency, safety, and uninterrupted precision. The journey continues along polished stainless steel conveyors, stretching deep into the facility like controlled pathways of precision. Chicken portions move steadily forward, guided by automated systems that maintain spacing, speed, and hygiene at every step. As the line advances, the air grows cooler, signaling the approach of the freezing chambers where freshness is preserved at its peak. Subtle metallic resonance echoes through the hall, blending with the constant motion of the conveyors in a calm industrial rhythm. Nothing here is accidental. This smooth transition ensures the product arrives at the freezing stage in perfect condition, ready to be sealed in quality and consistency. Inside the blast freezer, time seems too slow as temperature drops in an instant. Icy air surges across the surface of each chicken piece, flowing with controlled force to lock in freshness at the molecular level. Frost forms almost immediately, a visible sign of rapid freezing designed to preserve texture, flavor, and safety. Powerful fans drive the freezing process evenly, ensuring no section is left exposed or unevenly cooled. The rush of cold air fills the chamber, deep and commanding, as technology works at extreme conditions with absolute precision. This is the moment where freshness is captured, sealed by cold, protected for the journey ahead. Automation takes over with flawless precision. Robotic arms move in perfect sync, lifting and positioning frozen chicken portions onto trays with exact, uniform spacing. Each motion is guided by sensors and programmed accuracy, ensuring consistency across every batch without human error. The process is smooth, controlled, and repeatable, built for large-scale efficiency and uncompromising standards. Soft electronic beeps confirm each placement as mechanical joints glide effortlessly through their cycles. Every batch is refined, frozen rapidly, and tested for quality ready for the next stage with reliability you can trust. In slow motion, the frozen product emerges from the freezer, revealing a moment of pure preservation. Crystal clear ice textures shimmer across the surface, illuminated by dramatic lighting that highlights precision and control at work. This instant reflects the success of rapid freezing where freshness, structure, and quality are locked in without compromise. The air remains cold and still, filled with subtle ambient tones as the process transitions seamlessly to the next stage. Every detail, every frozen edge, tells the story of technology pushing temperature to its limits, ensuring the product leaves this chamber exactly as intended, protected and perfectly preserved. Speed and precision now define the final packaging stage. High-speed conveyors carry frozen chicken portions forward in a perfectly synchronized flow, timed down to the millisecond. Branded bags and boxers are filled automatically, each portion measured and placed with consistent accuracy. In a single motion, sealing machines close every package, instantly locking in freshness and protection. Rhythmic sealing clicks echo along the line, joined by the soft hiss of pressurized air as the system works without pause. This is efficiency at full scale, where automation ensures every product is packaged, secured, and ready for distribution. In this final precision step, information becomes as important as the product itself. Advanced labeling systems move in perfect synchronization, applying expiry dates, exact weight details, and traceable barcodes with flawless accuracy. Each label is aligned and sealed in a fraction of a second, ensuring clarity, compliance, and complete transparency from factory to consumer. Nothing is misaligned. Nothing is missed. Every package carries its identity forward. The steady roll of label mechanisms blends with sharp sealing clicks, marking the completion of a tightly controlled process. Here, technology ensures every pack is not only sealed and protected, but fully documented, ready to move confidently into the global supply chain. from above, the full scale of the packaging hall comes into view. Rows of high-speed lines stretch across the floor as workers and robots operate side by side, each playing a precise role in a perfectly timed system, set to a modern industrial rhythm. The hall moves with purpose and coordination. This wide-angle perspective reveals the final harmony of people, machines, and technology working together to deliver consistency at massive scale. Before shipment, every package undergoes a final inspection. Under bright LED stations, trained workers carefully check seals, labeling, and overall quality. Soft inspection beeps blend with the ambient hum, confirming that every product meets standards before leaving the facility. The final stage unfolds at the loading bay. Forklifts move steadily across the floor, lifting stacks of frozen chicken cartons with practiced precision and control. As refrigerated truck doors open, waves of cold vapor spill outward, signaling the carefully maintained temperatures inside. The low rumble of truck engines blends with the movement of forklifts, creating a powerful sense of readiness and scale. From here, the product begins its journey beyond the facility, protected and prepared to reach markets exactly as intended. As the day draws to a close, the camera slowly pans upward, revealing the full scale of the frozen chicken facility. Cold steam rises into the dusk air, drifting softly above rooftops as lights begin to glow across the complex. Here, science, skill, and scale come together, delivering quality, consistency, and trust long after the doors close for the night.
And that's how frozen chicken is processed and packed, Feel from start to finish.